To begin the march past, leading with great pride and responsibility, we have the head boy of the school, Master Swastik Raj, and head girl, Miss Sneha Suman. Assistant head boy, Master Jians Naman, and assistant head girl, Miss Chaya Kashyap. Their leadership and dedication have set a remarkable example for all the students. As the first to march, they truly represent the essence of what it means to lead with integrity and enthusiasm. Their confident strides set the tone for this spectacular display of coordination and